In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-dos in Basecamp. We'll start by getting signed in. Open your browser and head to the Basecamp login page. Type in your email address and click Next. On the following screen, enter your password and continue to sign in. If your company uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts you normally see and you'll land in Basecamp. Once you're in, click Home to make sure you're at the main dashboard. From there, find and open the project where you want to manage your tasks. Inside the project, look for the option that says Make a to-do list. This is where you organize related tasks into one place so the team can see what needs doing. Choose New List and give your list a clear, descriptive name. A concise title helps teammates understand the purpose at a glance. Think Q4 website refresh instead of something vague. Before you finalize, you can optionally enable Track this list on the hill chart. The hill chart is Basecamp's visual progress tool that shows work moving from figuring things out to shipping. Turn this on if you want that extra layer of visibility for planning and status updates. When the name looks good and you've decided on hill chart tracking, click Add this list. Your list is now created and ready for to-dos. Next, add a to-do to the list and set the key details. You can assign the task to the right person so there's clear ownership. Assigning it right away prevents confusion and ensures the work shows up in the assignees' lists. You can also choose who should be notified when the task is completed. This is great for keeping stakeholders in the loop without extra messages later. Just add the people who need that final heads up. Finally, pick a due date to set expectations and help everyone plan their workload. Due dates also keep the project timeline on track, especially when multiple tasks depend on each other. When everything is set, assignee, notifications, and due date, click Add this to do to save it. Your task is now part of the list and visible to the team. As your project evolves, you can repeat this process to add more tasks, and if you enabled hill chart tracking, you'll be able to reflect progress visually as work moves forward. That's it. You logged in, navigated to your project, created a to-do list, optionally turned on the hill chart, and added a to-do with an assignee, notifications, and a due date. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Basecamp.